Hey guys, imagine that you have got this kind of spreadsheet where you have listed division, product and revenue, and your boss wants you to analyze this report in such a way that division is listed only once and it has got the count for each division and the total revenue for each division and the average revenue for each division. Hey guys, welcome to Let Me Excel. In the previous video we learnt about if function, and if you have not watched it, please go ahead and watch it. The link is there in the description. And today we are going to learn about count if, sum if and average if. The description of count if function is this one. The first one is criteria and the description is below, and same with the sum if function, and this one for the average if function. Alright, we are back to our spreadsheet, and let us try to enter the formula and analyze it with the help of count if, sum if and average if function. First of all, let us get the unique list of division with the help of unique function. We have got the unique list. Let us sort it with the help of sort function, and now our unique division is unique and it is sorted ascending order. Now let us get the count for each division with the help of count if function, equal to count if open bracket range, which is A2 to A21, there are 20 records, comma, and the criterion is nothing but division A. So we are referring to cell F2 and enter. We got 2, and let us fill it down with the help of Control D. We got the numbers for each division, and let us see whether the numbers are matching or not. In the first, for A, formula is the range is A2 to A21. Let us see whether the range is correct or not. For the below one, it has offset 1 down. For the third one, it has offset 2 down. Okay, so our range seems to be incorrect. Let us see what is the reason behind this. Okay, so this is happening because of the relative reference of Excel. So we'll fix this in a while. In order to fix this, double click on the formula and click on A2 and press F4. This will add the dollar symbol to the range, and it becomes absolute, means it will not change even if you paste down or across. So now we have 20 records, here also 20 records, and the formula is also giving us 20 records if you add up all these results. Let us try to calculate the total revenue. For that, the function is sum if open bracket range is A2 to A21, comma, this time let us block the range, and the criterion is F2, which is A, and close the bracket. I am getting all 0. That is because we have not supplied the sum range, which is C2 to C21. Let us give this range and block it with the help of function key F4 and enter. This time I am getting number. Yes, now this is correct. Likewise, let us do for average also, equal to average if open bracket, the criteria range is A2 to A21, and let us block the range, and the criterion is A2. We need to supply the average range also. This formula is very much similar to sum if, the only difference is the word average and sum. Close the bracket, enter. Let us fill it down with the help of mouse. We have got count, we have got sum, and we have got average also. We know average equal to sum divided by count, so let us verify whether our average is correct or not. Equal to, we have got sum, which is H2 divided by G2, which is count, and we are getting 14,000 on both the places. That means it is correct. Let us compare with the help of true or false. Equal to I2 equal to J2. It's true. Let us check for all the records. It's true. So our average is same as calculated average, which is sum divided by count. That's why our formula is correct. Now let us verify whether the numbers are correct or not. Let us check for A, division A. So we have two records. Average is 14,000. Yes, we have two records and the average is 14,000. Sum is 28,000. Let us sort it so that it becomes easy to verify. How many records B has? Let us see. B has 4 records, and in the formula also we have got 4. D has 5 records. We got 5 with the help of formula also, and the sum and average also is matching. Let's see for E. E has again 5 records and both sum and average are matching. As you can see, all the numbers are matching for all the records. So that means our formulas are correct. These functions are very useful. If you learn them, if you master them, they will be really useful for your career growth. This was a short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.